Namaste, ma'am. My name is Satvik, studying in LKG class. My country's name Russia, Mongolia, China, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei, Timor-Leste, Philippines, Taiwan, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iran, Iraq, Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, Cyprus, Saudi Arabia, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait. Thank you. Thank you very